How is everyone doing today or this afternoon, wherever you may be? So I'm going to do a quick greenhouse update, carport greenhouse update. I haven't done one for a while. It's been pretty amazing this summer in here. I'm pretty excited on how it's been going. So here we go, we'll check it all out. So over here, cucumber melons have been going really well. There's been tons of them coming on. I haven't been over in 2 days since it was a busy weekend. So they're looking pretty cool. These carrots have been in here since the spring. I just haven't had time to pull them out. But little cucumber melons. Tons of them. The cucumber plants here, they look like they've all got powdery mildew or something going on them now. They weren't like that last weekend or last week when I came over, but they're still producing pretty good. Pretty impressed on how much they've been popping on each plant. Still got some pickling cucumbers coming on here. Overall, these plants have done really well this summer. I've been so impressed with them. Another pickling cucumber in there. These pepper plants, I think I said before, I put them underneath here, trying to hoping to maximize my space, but because it was shaded here, they have not done so well here. So, good note for next year. I won't be doing that. And we'll just make our way down. Look at them all. I have so many cucumbers. I don't know what to do with them all. Two more nice giant sized ones here. Another one in there. Come down here. Look at them. They're just loaded. More in here. They just don't want to stop. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, just some more down here as well. And they're down here on the ground, just doing whatever they're doing. Then over here, I've got my tomatoes. It's nice because I haven't been here for a few days, like I said, so they're all starting to ripen up here. I think these are the purple atomic grapes, sorry, Brad's atomic grape. These ones are looking nice down here too. Finding some nice tomatoes. And so these guys over here as well. I think I'm going to close this door today because it's starting to get cool. It's September 1st tomorrow. So I want to close that up, keep some heat in here. Tomatoes are looking really good. I'm hoping they start ripening up soon because this area frosts pretty early in this section, but I'm hoping with the carport greenhouse it helped it out quite a bit. A few more tomatoes here. They're looking really good. And then I've got some ginger here I've started quite a while ago. I don't know how well it's doing. Looks like it's growing because it's got another shoot coming up. A few there. And these are coming nicely. I think these are called Mr. Stripies. I'm going to pick those today as well. And then over here we got lots more tomatoes I put in late. They're doing really well. Got habanero peppers. I put these in late as well. So we'll see if they produce anything. My basil's taken off really well. I'm going to pick a lot of this basil today, I think. And then dehydrate it. So I've got fresh basil all winter long. Lots of it there. Some more tomatoes. And I put some spinach in here the other day, but I haven't had time to water it. So a few are coming up here and there, but I might even just transplant some Celanova in here. And then under here, I put my another sheet of greenhouse plastic to help speed up some of these peppers I have going on here. And these guys are flowering up nicely. Not sure what kind those ones are there. Looks like I got a green pepper there. And over here, I think there's some hot peppers here. Some chilies. Some habaneros. And over here, got some ghost peppers. They're gonna be hot. I'm not a big fan of spicy stuff, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. And then another pepper there. So there we go. And then just on this side of the tomatoes as well. They're coming along nicely too. Pretty excited. Nice crop of tomatoes. So there you go, guys. Just a quick carport greenhouse update. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Let me know how your greenhouses are coming along. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.